Hello and welcome to Tech Time. My name is Emily. Well, today's video on how robotics technology is replacing humans in manufacturing. In this video, we will explore the growing trend of automation in the manufacturing industry and the impact that robotics technology is having on the workforce. Over the past few decades, manufacturing has seen a significant shift toward automation. With the advancements in robotics technology, machines are becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing tasks that were once done by human workers. This shift towards automation has been driven by a number of factors, including the need to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. While there are many benefits to automation, there are also concerns about the impact it is having on the workforce. As machines become more capable, there is a growing concern that they will replace human workers, leading to job losses and economic instability. So, if you're interested in learning more about the role of robotics technology in manufacturing, and the impact it is having on the workforce, then be sure to watch this video until the end. Robotics technology has made significant strides in recent years, enabling machines to perform increasingly complex tasks with greater precision, speed, and efficiency than ever before. As a result, robots are increasingly being used to replace humans in many manufacturing industries, including automotive, electronics, and aerospace. There are several reasons why robotics is replacing humans in manufacturing. Some of these reasons include: 1. Consistency. Robots can perform the same task repeatedly without getting tired, distracted, or making mistakes, ensuring consistent quality and output. 2. Speed. Robots can work much faster than humans, which increases productivity and reduces cycle times. 3. Cost savings. In the long term, using robots can be more cost-effective than hiring and training human workers. 4. Safety. Robots can be used to perform dangerous tasks, such as handling hazardous materials or working in extreme temperatures, without risking human lives. 5. Precision. Robots can perform tasks with a level of accuracy that is difficult for humans to achieve, resulting in higher quality products. Examples of robots replacing humans in manufacturing include automated assembly lines, welding robots, painting robots, and material handling robots. In some cases, robots are even being used to perform tasks previously considered too complex or challenging for automation, such as quality control and inspection. Overall, robotics technology is transforming the manufacturing industry, allowing companies to increase efficiency, productivity, and quality while reducing costs and improving safety. However, it's important to note that while robots can replace certain human tasks, they cannot replace human creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. Therefore, there will always be a need for human workers in manufacturing, albeit with different skill sets and roles than before. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it informative and that it has given you a better understanding of the growing trend toward automation in the manufacturing industry. As we move forward, it is important that we work to mitigate the impact of automation on workers by investing in education and training programs, and by exploring new ways to create jobs and support economic growth. We hope that you will join us as we continue to explore the latest developments in robotics technology and their impact on the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.